Guys, so today I'm going to show you the RoyalQ application. So it's an automation software which trades for you. So it's very simple to use. So as you can see, I have 2 tokens I'm trading on. In fact it's the app who's trading for me. So when you go into the setting, you will see some trade settings, like the first buying amount is $10, the margin call price, and the buy back, and the earnings callback. So basically you have different levels, so you don't need to go into the details of it, but it's very easy to understand. So this is the main dashboard, and as you can see, every day I'm earning at least $1.7. so it will increase. I just started, so basically you need to have some amount of capital investment, and you need an activation fee to use the trading app, and it's very easy to configure. You need to bind it with your Binance account. So if you want to install the app, you can use my referral code here. You will see that you can install it, or I can share with you the link. Just send me a DM or look into the comment section, so you will see the link to join the app. So I'm waiting for you to come aboard so that you can start also trading and earn some money on a daily basis. See you then.